This is day 6 of my 90-day challenge to speak daily on certain matters. Right now we are dealing with the geographical time scale, and in last video I dealt till the modern phase of geography, where there was what was marked by coming up of many school of thought, that the example German school of thought, the British school of thought, Russian school of thought, French school of thought. I talked about German school of thought, and I was about to start about the French school of thought. The French school of thought is overwhelmingly dominated by Vidalian tradition. The Vidalian Paul Vidal de la Blache is can be called the father of geography in France because of his work and his contributions in geography. There was a development of a paradigm which in after phases got converted to the paradigm of possibilism. So Vidal, the contributions of Vidal can be seen in his concept of Pays, genre vitae, and Rhine geography, where he talks about the nature of relationship between human and and the environment. He talks about how nature shapes environment, how nature shapes man's actions, his way of living, which and thus over and also man creates certain possibilities by improving or adjusting the nature. So in after some time, or in a incoming time, or after some time, the intricate or the intense relationship that develops between man and nature leads to formation of what he calls as space. These are very unique areas that are found, that are basic, that have cultural differences, and these cultural differences are adjusted according to the nature. um, for example, the pace that develop in the mountainous region will not be same as the pace that develop in the plains. Therefore, Vidal was of the view that nature and man are equally important to each other. However, the concept of possibilism was also taken up by O.H.K. Spate and his pupils, like um, I don't remember his name. His pupils okay, I'll come to it. So in this way, possibilism got developed in France. Similarly, the other school of thoughts, like British school of thought, gave the focused mainly on contemporary geography and historical geography. Geography in this time, that is in the first paradigm, where it has seen a multiple coming up of multiple schools, was mainly focused on imperialistic tendencies of the countries. Therefore, we can see that geography developed in Germany, France, Britain, Russia, and US. All of these countries have been imperialistic power at some point of time. Geography helped them to consolidate their empire and get the locations of new regions in the world. By this way, they with the use of geography, they expanded their empire and got to exploit the resources of the colonies. After this continued till 1950s, and the contribution of US school of thought, that is Anglo American school of thought, was led by first Davis, then Semple and Huntington, and it was followed by Hartshorne, who studied the paradigms of who studies all the concepts and debates of the geography, and wrote his work that is known as The Nature of Geography. and with this he introduced the concept of areal differentiation that I have talked earlier. After this, I will talk in the next video.